Unconditional love equals failing. It's the hair or the heart. Totally committed to chicken. This kid's heart belongs to the color red. The dangers of suddenly going freestyle. High standards equals nailing it. The dark side of literacy. Sort of sweet, in a disturbingly literal sort of way. That awkward moment when your kid's the bigger man. It doesn't take much. We see the words sugar and daddy working well together in this kid's future. The honey point. Love notes, not always the best place to test drive new vocabulary words. Honesty, not always the best policy, actually. The most unfortunate misspelling of the word desk ever. The ill-timed admirer. You've been spared, for now. The most priceless misspelling of the word cook. I love you, even though mom never will.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.